Hey guys, and welcome to a video here from the SJBB YouTube channel. Now staying at the Smiler Room at the Alton Towers Hotel, as we're just outside of now. The next shot you'll see will be us opening the door and taking a look around the Smiler Room. It's a deluxe door suite room. We've got it 40% off with the Sun Hotel, the Sun promotion. So put the face mask on because it's all the legal requirements now, and going to check out the Smiler Room here at the Alton Towers Hotel. We're at the Alton Towers Hotel. As you can see the lobby. You do have to get your temperature checked, and I passed the inspection. 36 is the temperature. Anything apparently above 38 is a no-no. Just getting the check-in now. You might be a bit muffled. You might not be able to hear me due to the face masks, but rules are rules, and that's what we must follow in this day and age. Yeah, next to you in the Smiler Room. So here we are, guys, outside the Smiler Room. 302. Let's go in. So straight away, the entrance music as soon as you open the door, which is pretty awesome actually. Let's get some power on it. There we are, that's better. So yes, that's the main entrance. Coat hangers, obviously, our welcome letter. We only got one key. Tea making facilities. Obviously, everything's very hygiene packed at the moment, so make sure they're doing thorough cleaning the lamp. Now let's get a bit more music on, shall we? And there we are. Proper scene room tour now. Very comfortable wide chair. Massive TV. Also, you get a double bed. Oh, what does the button do? Oh, it just flashes the CCTV or lights. Bunk beds. They have their own curtain and a little TV up there. It's pretty cool, actually. But yeah, it's quite a nice little big room. Well, quite a big room actually, I'd say. Seen better days though, to be fair. Wait, that's the master. Well, that's the one huge bed actually. Mirrors. Just for the laughs. Let's get the music on again. Bathroom. I'll say no face mask at the moment because we're actually in the room. Massive sink. Standard shower. Oh, that's bloody huge. But yeah. Quite massive actually. But like I say, during the current pandemic and stuff like that, they are being extra safe and cautious. Right, when you book a Smiler Room, you're meant to actually get fast track for the Smiler as listed online. However, we have got, where have we been put? No problem. We've actually got 4 drink vouchers instead, which we didn't actually expect. And yeah, but what's the view like? But the drink vouchers can only be used for tomorrow. Yeah, quite quiet. But overall, that's the Smiler Room tour. Next room on my list, Coca-Cola Room. Very short video, but like I said, it's more just to say we've done it and cross it off a list. Favourite feature of the room is, I don't know, I do like that. But saying like that, it's getting wear and tear, as you can tell there. I've seen better days. Anyway, thanks for joining us. I'll check out all the other room tours on the channel and all the other content from different London hotels and Paris and stuff like that. What's in the package though? I'm eager to know.
Biscuits.
Oh, sweet.
Biscuits, cheese, milk and coffee.
I'm surprised the remote's not in a plastic bag actually. Usually they vacuum pack that. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for joining us for the Smiler Room tour. Go.
I want light.
Yeah. Oh, disco party. That's what the lights look like. The flashing lights from the big button when the lights are off. People outside will be like, what's going on in there? Well, that's the Spider Room tour here at the Alton Towers Hotel. Thank you very much for joining us. Like I say, check out offers and promotions. We got it on the Sun 40% off, because these rooms are really expensive, and this is just one of many of the different rooms they do. The Gangster Granny room now, they're also doing the Coca-Cola room, and loads more. So yeah, go check out the website if you want to upgrade your stay to a little bit more premium, especially for anyone who's a big fan of the Smiler.